welcome to my videos. So guys, when you shop around home and auto insurance, there are few points you need to remember. And then if you purchase an insurance policy, that will help you. So guys, recently across Ontario and even across Canada, we have seen lot of carjackings, car stealing, and many other things. So when you buy your auto insurance, make sure your coverage covers you for these things. And also in case of like rental car, like if your car is broken down, you need extra support with terms of rental and rental insurance because insurance is required everywhere. So when you are purchasing a policy, make sure it covers. Just don't go for bare minimum or just don't assume that, oh, this is covered unless you are sure. You have every right to ask your questions towards your insurance agent, towards your insurance broker. Because if you don't do that, and if you are in a situation that is under exclusion, you'll have no one else to blame in the world apart from yourself. And be very honest with your insurance. Like they do ask questions like, do you use it to commute to work, school? Do you used to do any business like Uber, delivery, whatever? And just citing example. Be very honest because if you do not provide correct answers to these questions and you get your insurance policy, in case everything goes smooth, fine, nobody cares. But the moment anything goes wrong and if it is identified, and if in case your claim is denied, can you imagine how much impact it can have on you mentally and financially, and also could be physically? So don't do such things. Always be honest and ask questions. You can even prepare all your questions in advance to ask your broker, agent, company, wherever you buy it from. That will definitely help you. When it comes to house, recently we have seen a lot of natural disasters in Canada, like wildfires and other things. So based on the location you are living, you could be prone to some of these natural calamities. So with your insurance agent or broker, whoever, make sure you ask these questions and try to read as much as you can. Like when you get a document, insurance document, read, find what is covered, what is not. Because just don't go by what a mortgage agent, I'm sorry, insurance agent or broker says. The policy that you sign on, the application you sign on is very important. When you sign on something, regardless of what has been explained to you, regardless of what has not been explained to you, you are going to be responsible. So invest some time. A lot of people don't read their policies and then later regret. Don't fall into that trap. Read it. Read it, understand it, ask questions, send written emails, get written answers. If you have any query or anything you're not clear, you can do that. Final point, guys, before I close, like when you shop around, just don't restrict to some websites. When I was searching, I got like a lot of websites saying, hey, we work with these many companies, but what about the companies they don't work with? Who knows? There you may get a better insurance. So list down the companies which are providing, and if you're checking from a broker's website, there's so many broker websites. See what are the companies they work with. And if there are companies they don't work with, you can go to their website directly or through other brokerage websites and see what quote you get. Like do enough shopping around. If you're not doing enough shopping around, you may lose some good deals. And I have seen it and like I would say like more than $100 per month on my car insurance. I saved like that. So I'm sharing this tip with you guys. Be very careful. And yes, when it comes to take coverage, especially for car, don't, my personal opinion, don't go for 1 million of liability. Go for 2 million at least, because it may or may not cover you for all the expenses. Things have become expensive. So this is what I would like to say. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you.